हेलो फ्रेंड्स, क्या हाल चाल। आई होप आप सभी बढ़िया होंगे और वीडियो के टाइटल थंबनेल को देख के समझ ही गए होंगे कि आज हम किस बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। सो आई एम हियर विद एन अपॉर्चुनिटी रिलीज फ्रॉम द गीक फॉर गीक्स फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स who really wants to learn about the machine learning, data science, cloud computing, or web front-end development, or complete DevOps. So they are launching their own courses, their own complete series of the videos, their live classes through which you would be able to not only learn from the top mentors or the SDE, as well as you would be getting certified. Yes, you would be getting the certification from the GfG itself, and it is totally free of cost. इसमें आपको कुछ भी पे नहीं करना है, इसमें सिर्फ आपकी लर्निंग है, प्लस साथ ही साथ आपको अर्निंग भी है एंड सर्टिफिकेट भी मिलेगा। अर्निंग कैसे? आपको GfG के ऑफिशियल स्वैग्स देखने को मिलेंगे। स्वैग्स में क्या है? टी शर्ट प्लस बैग, दोनों में से चीज़ कोई एक आपको मिल सकती है। सो आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग ऑल द डिटेल्स इन दिस वीडियो। ओके, सो मेक श्योर यू वॉच द वीडियो टिल द वेरी एंड, एंड आई ऑल्सो ड्रॉप द टाइम स्टैम्प इन द वीडियो, सो मेक श्योर यू ऑल्सो चेक दैट आउट। सो आप स्किप भी कर सकते हो कुछ पर्टिकुलर पार्ट, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप स्किप कर रहे हो, लेकिन आपको नॉलेज कंप्लीट मिलनी चाहिए। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल गिव यू द लिंक ऑफ दिस होल पेज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, सो यू वुड बी इजिली एबल टू रजिस्टर योरसेल्फ। आप आराम से रजिस्टर कर पाओगे, लिंक जो कि डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। ओके, so let's see what it's actually delivering to us. First of all, on the screen you can easily see that there is a sprint series, and this is about the master class or the live classes that are going to be held by the SD developers of the GfG itself and the mentors, okay, highly qualified mentors. So first master live class has already happened on the May of the 3rd, and at the time I am right now shooting this video. At that time already I guess the first master class is done, but nothing to worry about. You have a lot of classes to attend, and these are live plus free of cost. So in the first 3 days they are covering the master of the trees. Now what is this trees? If you don't know about the trees, so it is a part of the DSA and the data structure and algorithm. So they are talking about the trees concept. Then there will be master class upon the RESTful APIs. RESTful is a part of the API. Then comes to the another master class coming from the May to the 10th to the May 12th, that is around the front end development. Then comes a DA with the Python, then intro to machine learning, then AWS essential where we are talking about the clouds, then finally DevOps. So you would be able to learn all these things starting from the May 3rd to the end of the May, that is on the May 28th. Okay, so you would be learning a lot, and this is totally free of cost. And on attending these live classes you would be able to get certification from the GfG itself, which really increase the weightage in your resume when you showcase that yes, I learned these skills. So let's talk in depth regarding the registration and the whole page. Okay, so this is the timeline I showed you, and now I will show you from where you would be able to access the live classes and other materials. Okay, because this is not all. सिर्फ ये लाइव क्लासेस के में ही आपका सब कुछ कंप्लीट नहीं होगा. You would be getting 120 problems of the DSA series, one at a time or one at a day. 120, not 120 but 160 problems. So let's check that out also. So first of all, if you come to this page initially, you would be landed to this page. Okay, you would be landed here, and they are talking all about this whole 160 days of the problem solving program, and it is a summer workshop. Okay, so for master one DSA problem daily, they would be launching one particular DSA problem, and you have to make your streak in order to claim the swag. Swags की बात कर लें, जो हमें बैग और टी शर्ट देखने को मिल रहा है, only those participants would be eligible to claim their bag or the swags who maintain the daily streak of 80 days problem solving. आपको daily one DSA problem till the 80th day regularly complete करनी है. You have to maintain that streak. Only through that process you would be able to claim your swags. अगर आपने एक भी दिन मिस कर दिया तो आपकी सीरीज ब्रेक हो जाएगी, आपकी स्ट्रीक ब्रेक हो जाएगी, and you will miss the chance to get the swags. Okay, but swags are not the all thing, there are learning also, so you have to focus on that part also. So, okay, so till the next 160 days you would be getting the one DSA problem live launched on this website daily, plus solution would be also provided. They will be explaining the solution to you through the videos, so you will be completely learning the concept in the depth. Okay, so yes, which will help you practice the DSA problems in a structured and organized manner. That is the main thing. अगर आपको road map मिलता है तो आप अच्छे से सीख पाते हो. Get in depth of the article, step by step video explanation. As I told you, you'll be getting the video explanations of the problems they launched, and access to additional bonus problems. Apart the 160 problems, you would be getting additional 120 problems, and in sum up you would be getting a lot of problem to solve. Okay, then they would be covering not only the DSA part but also the full stack development, data science and DevOps, and much more depending on what the developers or the industrial experts are willing to train. So after this whole complete course or the summer workshop completion, you will be perfectly ready to switch to another role or to sit in any interview for the job opening. Okay, so it is a strong summer workshop that you should attend. Okay, so let's see. First of all, log in and then we will register a 160 days guided free DSA roadmap for you. So if you once you register yourself, you will be able to download their complete roadmap, how they are going to launch that. So let's register ourselves first. I would like to continue with the Google. If you want, you can manually sign in, or you can also use this Google to sign in, or the GitHub as well. And I will request you to please ask your doubts in the comment section if you have any. Okay, so once you release this, they will ask you for the details, registration details. So you have to simply fill that, and then you can click on the start course button. Now once done, you would be automatically redirected to this page. It is a complete page of 160 days of problem solving with summer workshop. Now you can, once you completed this whole progress bar of 722 completion, that may take 2 hours to reflect your progress. You would be able to generate the certificate. Once you click on this and update your name, you would be able to proceed, and you would be able to claim the registration or the certification. Okay, so if you click on the proceed with this, so let's see if they are initially providing something. Okay, so thing is that Naman Goyal has successfully completed this course, but I have nothing to showcase here. That's why it's taking time. Let's wait for this whole thing to get loaded first. Yes, I am able to download something. Let's see if we are what we are actually getting. We have to verify this on the name of certificate without completing any course, what we are getting. Okay, so you are already getting the certificate at your name. Now this is a little bit confusing for me. I'm not sure why I'm getting initially any certificate. I haven't completed that thing. But the certificate I am talking about for the workshop, the live workshop, that would be different. That would only be attained once you attend the workshop. From where you can get, if you click on this get summer certification, attend the 3 days workshop. If you click on this bar, that comes to another certification which actually increase the weightage of resume. The certificate that I just downloaded, that doesn't matter. Main certificate coming from the SD developers is only provided when you attended their live sessions. So there was a live session started at the 8 p.m. So still I guess it's going on. If I click on the join now button, I would be able to join. But don't worry if you skip this one, because you have the chance till the 29th of the May to attend their workshop. If you attend the workshop regarding the ML, then you will get the workshop certificate regarding the ML. Then if you attended the workshop regarding the front-end development, then you get a certificate for that. So nothing to be worried about. In the first workshop, they are talking about the DSA trees. This is something you won't get the certificate for the trees concept, but you have other 7 options open till the May of the 29th. So you can easily register yourself, able to attend all their workshop, and automatically you will receive a certificate in your mail for joining the workshop and completing the whole process. Okay, now this certificate is totally giving me this has successfully completed 22 weeks of courses on GfG 160 days of problem solving. Now I don't appreciate that thing that I'm getting without any verification, but yes, if you go with this, they will definitely check your profile if you show this in your interview process, and once they went through your profile, they would be able to see no streak in last 160 days, and they would be able to understand कि ये आपका सर्टिफिकेट फेक है. तो आप ये सर्टिफिकेट तभी जनरेट करना जब आपकी लास्ट 160 डेज की स्ट्रीक कंप्लीट हो जाए, पूरी की पूरी वर्कशॉप कंप्लीट हो जाए. अदरवाइज इट डजंट मैटर आप अगर वो शो करोगे तो भी. ओके, यू वुड बी एबल टू सी द लीडर बोर्ड्स एज वेल. Currently I am lying at a 58,307 position as I registered right now. There would be notice board. This will show you all the latest information, so you can get through this. And yes, no t-shirt offer valid for only those learners who have started a new streak between 18th March to the 13th April. So t-shirt offer is not for you, but the bag offer is definitely for you. If you started your streak after the 1st of the May, then you will definitely getting the bag. The t-shirt offer is already closed because you haven't started creating any streak in between 18th of the March or the 13th of the April. इस बीच में आपने obviously नहीं करा होगा कुछ, क्योंकि मैं वीडियो ही 3rd of the May को रिलीज कर रहा हूँ. तो टी शर्ट ऑफर आपके लिए नहीं है, बट बैग का ऑफर डेफिनेटली आपके लिए है. ओके, so you can also get the additional benefit for the 50% off on certain courses, the premium courses. Now come back to the chapters. On the chapters, you would be able to access their daily problems. Already uploaded certain problems regarding the array string. What is daily problem? Starting from here, you would today is the day 1, so you are getting day 1 problem as the arrays. So day by day you would be getting updated problems on this panel. Here, wherever you left, you will be able to see it's for the day 1. At the 4th May, you would be able to see it is labeled as the day 2, then day 3, and in the so manner you have to maintain the streak for the next 80 days in order to get the bag. Okay, you can easily access all these streaks. You will be able to see the videos, the articles, the problems. You will be able to maintain the streaks. So you can go through them. Definitely the daily problem here, and live workshop is definitely for you. तो आप जाके आप live workshop भी अटेंड कर सकते हैं. तो लाइव वर्कशॉप, ये मेन इसका फोकस लाइव वर्कशॉप पे है इस पूरी वीडियो का. तो आपको लाइव वर्कशॉप अटेंड करने का मौका मिल रहा है फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. अपार्ट दिस, यू विल बी गेटिंग द 250 DSA प्रॉब्लम्स and day by day problems. So yes, you will be getting a complete roadmap. Okay, so now if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the WhatsApp group. कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो जरूर मुझे अप्रोच करना, पूछना, and I would be more than happy or glad to answer your queries. Okay, thank you very much. Good, bye.